Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply repair non-manifold STLs and slice the right way. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to of course import your objects onto your plate right here. Basically, this will replicate a 10 for 10 scale of the entire plate right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to import my STL file, or in my case it's going to be an object. Now I got this from the Blender community itself, and basically right after importing it onto your plate, you can just click on the OK button, and then of course we will then have the problem. Now it says right here that the error 18340 non-manifold edges. To repair this, you can use third-party applications or online websites out there, but in some cases, basically Bambu Studio will be able to repair it automatically by just clicking on the repair button. Now, if they cannot repair it automatically, a website will pop up right here. You can simply head over to that website, import your STL file or object file, and from there, it will then fix it in order to be compatible with Bambu Studio. So let's just wait for the repair process to finish right here. And also, while waiting for the process to finish, let's navigate through the online side of things. You can simply search for the online STL repair. Now, this is the most recommended website from the Bambu Studio Slicer itself. It's going to be the formware.co-online STL repair. From here, click on the upload an STL file, and basically it will repair it in a way that will be compatible for the Bambu Studio. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.